Good morning. I, Vona Roshni, here to present my case report, Maintenance of Gingival Profile in the Aesthetic Zone using Natural Tooth Pontic. As we all know, aesthetics and function of the orofacial region are very important aspects of human life, which are affected by anterior tooth regardless of the personal factors such as age, gender, and level of education, eventually impacting the quality of life. The main reasons for tooth loss in the anterior regions are trauma, periodontal disease, root resorption, and failed endodontic treatments, which leaves the dentist in a critical situation. So for the missed anterior tooth, there are permanent and temporary processes available. They are removable process or tooth supported process or implant supported process. But removable process when placed immediately after tooth extraction may be uncomfortable for the patient and impede the healing. And fixed prosthetics like fixed partial denture and implant, which are very popular, although are a permanent solution but a time consuming option and may require one or more visits. So loss of tooth in the anterior zone, though is an aesthetic emergency, may also pose problems relating to speech and mastication. Hence, sometimes the patient requires more for a temporary process rather than permanent process. Considering all these possibilities, natural tooth pontics are the best alternatives. What is a natural tooth pontic? Pontic is an artificial tooth on a fixed partial denture that replaces the missing natural tooth and restores in functions and usually fills the space previously occupied by the clinical crown. Prefabricated acrylic denture tooth are also used as a pontic bonded to the adjacent tooth, but considerable modifications are often required to achieve acceptable appearance. Hence, an intact natural tooth is better, which is in good clinical condition as pontic for interim duration because of its excellent color, shape, size match, minimum cost, and minimum chair side time. And positive psychological value adds an extra advantage. The presentation of the case is a 39-year-old female patient with the complaints of loose tooth and swollen gums in the upper front tooth region associated with difficulty while mastication reported to the department in a teaching dental institutions. Both clinical and radiological examinations were done. On clinical examination, grade 3 mobility with a probing depth of greater than 10 mm was observed and suppuration was also observed in relation to the maxillary right central incisor. On radiological examination, orthopentomogram revealed an extensive bone loss in relation to maxillary right central incisor, that is 1-1. So both the clinical and radiological examination suggested a hopeless prognosis indicating extraction of the 1-1. These are the clinical and radiological pictures. This picture shows the probing depth of greater than 10 mm and it is an orthopentomogram showing extensive bone loss in relation to maxillary right central incisor. Scaling and root planing was done and the patient was recalled after 1 week for extraction of 1-1 as the patient was not willing for any endodontic treatment. Before the procedure, the position of the teeth in the arch and its relationship with the adjacent tooth was evaluated. Atraumatic extraction of the tooth was done under local anesthesia. The extraction socket was curated and irrigated with antiseptic povidone iodine to remove the granulation tissue. Care was taken to remove the granulation tissue completely and to create fresh bleeding in the socket. 5 mm venous blood was collected from the antecubital fossa and platelet-rich fibrin membrane was prepared so that it can be placed in the extraction socket. It was prepared by using centrifuge machine. The extracted tooth was prepared. It was cleansed with using an ultrasonic scaler to remove any surface debris and adherent granulation tissue. The root portion of the tooth was reduced using the aerator to the desired length. An access cavity was prepared and all the pulpal remnants were removed and it was irrigated using sodium hypochlorite solution. Then the orifice was closed and with composite resin. At the cervical region of the extracted tooth, modified rich lab pontic was designed to facilitate self-cleansing and appearance of an emergence profile. And on the lingual side at the level of cingulum, a groove was created with the burr to accommodate the orthodontic wire. Then the natural tooth pontic were etched with 37% phosphoric acid for 30 seconds and washed off. Then the bonding agent was applied to the tooth and splintered the natural tooth pontic to the adjacent teeth using light cured composite resin. Finishing and polishing and the occlusal relationship was evaluated and if any occlusal interference was present, they were removed. Oral hygiene instructions was given to the patient and followed up for 1 year. These are the preoperative pictures and atraumatic extraction of the maxillary right central incisor was done. This is the platelet-rich fibrin membrane placed in the extraction socket and this is the picture showing the post-operative after 1 year. So tooth loss due to trauma, periodontal disease and failed endodontic therapy in the aesthetic zone creates a challenging situation to the dentist and requires immediate treatment due to psychological and aesthetic demands of the patient. When the tooth is planned for extraction due to periodontal disease in the anterior region, the primary concern is aesthetics. Due to increased aesthetic demand from the patient, the dentist relies on aesthetic principle while operating in aesthetic areas, considering its economic status. Quirinen et al. Conducted a study by comparing the acrylic tooth pontics and the natural tooth pontics, which were placed after the loss of tooth due to periodontal disease and followed for 5 years. They concluded that natural tooth pontic can be regarded as a semi-permanent solution for the replacement of the lost natural tooth. The major concern of placement of natural tooth pontic is psychological advantage of the patient and maintaining the soft tissue profile for further permanent restoration. Bandari et al. Also conducted a study in 15 patients in which they have placed a natural tooth pontic soon after extraction of periodontally compromised teeth and concluded that natural tooth pontic serves as the better option for immediate replacements, which provides aesthetic and psychological benefit to the patient. Walsh et al. Also reported that a case using natural tooth pontic and concluded that natural tooth pontic provides an excellent psychological benefit with less treatment cost, maintenance of gingival profile and no extensive surgical procedures. So I finally conclude that natural tooth pontic serves as an excellent replacement immediately after extraction in the aesthetic zone. Even though good oral hygiene maintenance and appropriate case selection are needed for this treatment option, natural tooth pontic provides good psychological benefits following extraction and also provides time for the permanent treatment options. Thank you.